traders, Tamar here, FXGlobe Ambassador, with your morning bell for Friday, the 3rd of February. And it is non-farm payroll today. But before we get to that, let's go through some important data out of Europe. And we're starting with service PMI, or Purchasing Manager Index, for Italy, France, Germany, and the Eurozone. We're also going to get composite PMI and service PMI from the UK. In central bank activity, we are going to hear from the Swiss National Bank board member and members for the Bank of England and the ECB. Moving on to the US, and we have plenty of important data today. And I'll be keeping a very close eye on U.S. equity market, especially the Russell and the Nasdaq. They are quite overextended at the moment. We've seen some very strong buying momentum in the last couple of days. So I'll be looking for a bit of a pullback, a release of this very strong buying pressure. So in and around that 12,200 on the Nasdaq and 1920 on the Russell. So on with the economic news from the US, and of course non-farm payroll, and the market is expecting it to come lower than previously, so at 185,000, where previously we had 223,000. The market is also expecting the unemployment rate to rise to 3.6%. We're also going to get labor participation rate and average hourly earning for the month of January, which the market is expecting to stay the same at 0.3%. Later on, and still with the US, we have composite PMI, service PMI, as well as non-manufacturing PMI. And to wrap up all these big news from the US, a bit of information about crude oil. So we have Baker Hughes oil rig count. So quite interested in oil in that area around the 78 mark. Happy trading everyone, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.